Okay, first we're going to assemble the tank and the pump. So first you take the pump and you take the tank lid, and you're going to go ahead and thread the power cord through the main hole in the tank lid. You're going to bring the power cord out the back through the notch. And then you're going to take the bottom light support and you're going to line up the arrows here. You're going to go ahead and push into place, turn the lock. Next you take the silicone tube, push into place in the bottom of the bottom light support, and then into the pump, all the way down on both sides. And then you're going to go ahead and place into the tank. And you're going to go ahead and take your depth gauge, push it right in front. Now we're going to assemble the vertical tower pieces. So go ahead and take your vertical tower piece. Once again, go ahead and find the arrow. Line up the arrow with the arrow on the bottom light support. Push, twist into place. And repeat that for 4 of your tower segments for the standard Model X. So once again, taking your tower segment, push, twist into place to lock. We're going to continue with the vertical tower pieces. Once again, line up the arrows on the side here, push into place, twist to lock. And then moving up, our 4th and final tower piece for the standard Model X. Line up the arrows again, push into place, twist to lock. Now we'll move to the top of the tower and we'll attach the top light support. Once again, you're going to find the arrow on the side, line up the arrow to the vertical tower segment, push into place, twist to lock. Now continuing to focus on the top of the tower, we're going to take 4 of our light arms. We're going to attach them into place on the light support, push all the way into the tower and straight down until it locks into place. Push onto the knob, straight down until it locks into place. Repeating for the other side. Push into the tower, straight down until it locks into place. And then for the final, straight down until it locks into place. Then you're going to go ahead and take your shower cap. Should already have the shower spout attached to the inside. Once again, find the arrows, line up the arrows on the side of the tower, twist into place. Now let's go back down to the bottom of the tower and we're going to attach the 4 light arms to the bottom. Once again, push into the tower, down, lock into place. Repeating until all of the light arms are secure. Let's go ahead and attach the lid bolts, which secures the lid to the tank for extra stability. So go ahead and move to either side of the tower. Find the hole. Insert the screw, rotate counterclockwise to tighten. Should be fairly snug, but there's no need to over tighten. 2-finger tighten. Going on to the back of the tower. So again, take your screw, push into place, and spin counterclockwise to tighten. Once again, should just be a 2-finger tighten. And then to the other side of the tower, take your screw and go ahead and insert it into place. Once again, 2-finger tighten. Now we'll go ahead and attach the 4-foot LED bulbs. So take your bulb. Either side of these bulbs can receive power. Go ahead and remove the cap if you've chosen the side. Once again, it does not matter with these bulbs. Take your attachment, push on the one side, flip your bulb on the other side. You can leave the cover. And go ahead and put that bulb to the side and repeat for the remaining 3 4-foot bulbs. So once again, taking the bulb, picking a side, removing the plastic cover, placing the attachment, flipping around, leaving the plastic cover on one side. You should place bulb number 3, removing the plastic cover, push the attachment into place, flip the bulb around, push the next attachment in place, removing the plastic cover, sliding the attachment into place, flipping the bulb around, leaving one cover, pushing the attachment into place. Before we place the bulbs in the tower, we'll have to route our wiring. So to do this, we're going to turn the tower around. Next, we'll take our wiring with our 4 white cords. Drop 2 of them, take 2, place them in the front of the tank. And shuttle them through until they get to the opening at the end of the light arm. Repeat for the other. And now take this cable and put it into the slots on this side. Next, we'll take one of the white wires and we'll do the same in the back on this side. Once again, pushing through until it appears. Placing into the wire slot. We'll do the same on the other side. Placing into the slot. Taking the other white wire cord, putting it in the hole, and then feeding it all the way through. Pulling it out. Next, we'll take our wiring harness with the knob in the back that says back, facing the back of the tower. And snap into place, ensuring that the cables are still in their slots from before. Now the cables can be fed into the bottom slot to keep the tower looking neat and tidy. And now go ahead and take your Allen wrench and put it in the hole in the back of the wiring harness to keep it there for future use. Now let's go ahead and attach our LED bulbs. So take your LED bulb, find the side that you took the cap off so the 2 pins are showing. Take the 2 wires. The wire should be facing the tower. Push it into place. Now take the attachment here, and it should just snap into place. We'll repeat this for all 4 sides of the tower here. Once again, taking the LED bulb, finding the side with the pin showing, taking the wire, attaching it into the 2 pins. Snapping into place. We'll repeat again. Take your LED light, find the side with the 2 pins. Go ahead and push into place. And push the attachment into the light arm until it snaps into place like so. Now taking our last LED tube, finding the side with the pins, attach to the light, push down until it snaps into place. Now we'll attach the lights to the top of the tower. So go ahead and take the light, put it into place with the light arm, and push into place to lock. And now we'll repeat for the rest of the lights. And one trick if you're having trouble putting the light in is you can actually go ahead and lift up the light arm. Attach it to the light first, and then go ahead and replace it on the light support.